Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix WhatsApp. Can't set up the recorder now. Please try again later. So if you ever encounter this issue, first thing that you will do is simply go to the settings on your device. And from here, just simply go to the apps. And now from here, just simply scroll down and try to find the WhatsApp over here. And now just simply tap on it. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on force stop over here and tap on OK. And from here, just simply tap on storage. And after that, just simply tap on clear cache. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue when you try opening the WhatsApp again. And now, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and tap on the back at the top left corner, and from here, just simply scroll down, guys, and just simply go to permissions over here. And now just simply scroll down and tap on microphone. And from here, just simply make sure this is allow. And now just simply go back. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And now, if it still doesn't, just simply go ahead and go back. And from here, just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And from here, guys, you should have an option here, reset app preferences. And from here, just simply tap on reset. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.